Resign, bro. He needs to resign today.
But CGP is doing something, and that something is really important. Video देख के रोना आ रहा.
Today's program is to go against reality that has happened in Delhi in Jantar Mantar. There is nothing wrong in what they're doing. They were carrying books and flowers. We just decided to do the protest. We are not with CJP party, guys. It's normal people who came together. Please ensure you mention that.
యాక్చువల్లీ నిన్న జరిగిన జంతర్బాద్లో అయింది ఇక్కడ. సో బేసిక్లీ దానికోసమే మెయిన్గా ఇక్కడ గ్యాదరింగ్ అయింది. సోషల్ మీడియాలో వీడియోస్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి. పిల్లల్ని, లేడీస్ని చాలా ఘోరంగా కొట్టినారు. చాలామంది అక్కడ యూతే ఉన్నారు, పేరెంట్స్ వచ్చినారు వాళ్ళ చిన్నపిల్లల్ని తీసుకొని. అంత అయింది. సో దానికోసమే యూనో టు స్పీక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ ఇక్కడ గ్యాదరింగ్ అయింది. చాలామంది సోషల్ యాక్టివిస్ట్ వచ్చారు. హైకోర్టు నుంచి ఒక అడ్వకేట్ వచ్చింది, ఇంకా గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ వచ్చారు ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడడానికి. సో యూత్ ఇక్కడ గ్యాదర్ అయింది అక్కడ. సో మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ నీట్ లీక్ ఇష్యూ గురించి. సో ధర్మేంద్ర ఆయన రిజైన్ చేయాలి, అది మెయిన్. అండ్ ఆల్సో సెకండరీ వచ్చింది వల్ల అయింది కాబట్టి ఇంకా యూనో కోపం వస్తుంది కదా అందరికి. బట్ వీ స్టిల్ వాంటెడ్ టు బీ పీస్ఫుల్ ఓన్లీ. వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ టర్న్ దిస్ ప్రొటెస్ట్ ఇస్ వైలెంట్. అవునండి, అవన్నీ చాలా ఘోరం కదండి. చిన్న పిల్లలను కూడా చూడకుండా అలా చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ మన దేశంని యూనో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రోగ్రెస్ ద కంట్రీ. వీ లవ్ అ కంట్రీ అ లాట్. సో అందుకే మేము ఇదంతా చేస్తున్నాం. వీఆర్ నాట్ అగేన్స్ట్ లైక్ ఎనీబడి. వీఆర్ అగేన్స్ట్ దిస్ that is happening to us. So మన దేశాన్ని కాపాడాలి అంటే సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అప్ ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్ to do that.
Hello.
Yeah, what is the motto of this program today?
The motto of this program, this was a meeting at the press club. This was basically a press conference. We call you all so that we can tell you guys our agenda and how we are feeling. We're gathered here in solidarity for the students who got beaten up yesterday at Delhi at Jantar Mantar, and we're here to there's a lot of crowd over here, and there's all diverse people here gathered only to show solidarity and share opinions. There's people from Delhi who landed in Hyderabad yesterday, and they're sharing what they've been through yesterday. So this is just...
What is your feeling about yesterday done Jantar Mantar forum attack?
Yesterday it was inhumane how the students were beaten. We're all here in showing our support to them because we saw how they were beaten. We saw how the government reacted to a student protest. We saw how people were beaten up, little kids were beaten up. So yeah, we're very upset. The students are very upset.
Is CJP party is the correct line or is it like anti policy?
I don't think CJP is the ideal sort of way that we're protesting, and everybody, many people here agree with that. But CJP is doing something, and that something is really important. This is the movement. I've never seen people gathered here in this crowd, and all of them have a cause. All of them have a unified cause. People from different. I'm a trans person. There's Muslims here. There's Hindus here. There's people. There's older people. There's younger people. There's a lot of diversity, and CJP has done that. So this is not about CJP. This is about us. This is about the people gathered here and the people who got beaten up yesterday.
Yeah, are you not satisfied with the BJP government?
What do you call satisfaction? I think you should tell me that. Are you satisfied? This is the answer for everyone. I don't think I'm a privileged individual. I'll have different opinions. But the people who actually go through things, I think they'll have a lot more to say.
Okay.
So yeah.
What is the demand?
Our demands right now, for the movement, the demand is for them to resign, for the education minister to resign, for Modi to resign. But right now, there's people gathered here with different opinions. There's people talking about different causes. So there's no one demand, but people have unified right now. So we'll see how this goes. But right now, we're mourning. We're showing solidarity because yesterday you beat up our comrades, you beat up our people, you beat up students, you beat up little. So that's what we gathered here for. This is for that.
What is the further step you are going to do?
Further step in what? I'm a single person who's joined here to show my solidarity. We don't have one cause as such. But yeah, the thing I'm going to do, my next step is to show up. Showing up matters a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Today's program is to go against reality that has happened in Delhi in Jantar Mantar. There has been so much. People have been tear gassed. उनको लाठी चार्ज हुआ है. They have been pushed, hit. So we are here for solidarity because they were standing for a good cause. So we are here to support them.
So do you participate yesterday for that dharma?
Yes, I was there only.
So what is your feeling about the attack is done yesterday?
It is not good. It is not right. They were just trying to voice their opinion. सब अपना बस जो अपने right के लिए लोग लड़ रहे हैं. People are fighting for their rights. There is nothing wrong in what they are doing. They were carrying books and flowers. only police attacked with lathi. So we are just telling them, hear us, have a dialogue. That's what everyone in Jantar Mantar is doing. They are peacefully protesting. We want to also support them in that peaceful protest.
RSS participated yesterday in Dadan Chowk.
We are not affiliated with any political party. We said whoever wants to come and support people, students, come. That's it.
Finally, what is your demands? What is
The demands are what CJP has put. We want Dharmendra Prasad to resign today. We want him to resign. We want all the NEET aspirants to get compensation, their families to get compensation for all the torture they were put through. And peaceful protests in Delhi. Peaceful. Why do you have to lathi charge people?
My question is that who is behind you? I mean, CJP party, who is behind?
We are not CJP party. No, that's what I'm trying to say. It's people like you and me. We just decided to do the protest. We are not with CJP party, guys. It's normal people who came together. Please ensure you mention that, because that's the important thing. Normal people came together because they are so angry. समझे आप? Normal लोग, हम लोग आए. कोई पार्टी से नहीं है, CJP से भी नहीं है हम लोग.
What do you want to suggest to the Modi?
Resign, bro. He needs to resign today. He has made hell about the youth of this country. It's done now.
Is it possible to resign on PM Modi?
पहले धर्मेंद्र प्रसाद को तो निकालने दो, फिर मोदी तक जाएंगे.
कल जो कुछ भी दिल्ली में हुआ स्टूडेंट के साथ वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ. जब भी वीडियो देखे तो बहुत मतलब वीडियो देख के रोना आ रहा, बहुत बुरा लग रहा. तो स्टूडेंट के सपोर्ट में हम यहाँ पे आए हैं.
स्टूडेंट क्या है मैम?
एंड स्टूडेंट का जो भी है वो पूरा करो. उनका जो भी है, जो पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं वो नहीं होने चाहिए, क्योंकि पूरे स्टूडेंट का भविष्य ही उस पर डिपेंड है. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
तुमने पसंद नहीं हो रहा बीजेपी प्रभुत्व में?
नहीं नहीं
आप एक पार्टी की तरफ से आ रहे हो क्या?
नहीं हम स्टूडेंट की तरफ से जो स्टूडेंट को मतलब रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं.
So, I'm not a student basically, but I'm a frustrated citizen. And then after seeing what has happened yesterday, నిన్ను చూసిన తర్వాత నేను ఇంకా కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోలేకపోయాను. సో ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు స్పీక్. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు హైలైట్ వన్ థింగ్, లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ హ్యాస్ హ్యాపెండ్ yesterday, I'm like, what do you say, I'm really concerned about the students. But firstly, the demands they have put, అంటే ఆ డిమాండ్స్ ఏదైతే పెట్టారో అవి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఐ డోంట్ అగ్రీ విత్ దోస్. బికాస్ ఫస్ట్లీ ఆస్కింగ్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్, ఓకే, ఎవరైతే 22 మెంబర్స్ చనిపోయారో వాళ్ళకి ఒక ఫైనాన్షియల్, ఒక మోరల్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలి గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి అనేది మనం అడిగాము. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బేసిక్ థింగ్, బేసిక్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ అ గవర్నమెంట్. దానికి మనం ప్రొటెస్ట్లు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, లైక్ రైట్. సో సెకండ్ థింగ్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ద రెసిగ్నేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రధాన్. So right now what I think, like after what has happened, I changed my mind. We should not like focus on temporary fixes and quick fixes. Okka pradhan resignation cheste, ninna already parliament lo we have seen 2 ladies talking. You choose the government, so now it is government lookout. వాళ్ళు ఎలా చేసినా కూడా గవర్నమెంట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అనేది మీరు వెయిట్ చేయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ నో రైట్ టు ఆస్క్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ ఇస్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్. సో నౌ డూ యూ రియల్లీ థింక్ ఇఫ్ ప్రధాన్ రిజైన్స్, డోంట్ యూ థింక్ వన్ మోర్ ప్రధాన్ విల్ కమ్? If not in education, they will come in different system, health system, highway system. Like what about air pollution? What about unemployment? So I don't agree, like if Pradhan resigns, everything will fix. What needs to happen is a bigger change, not a temporary fix or quick fix. So, and yesterday after what we have seen, when we are peacefully protesting, so there is no empathy or sympathy on those people. They have really attacked. So now I question the entire system, not just education system.
I'm not representing any party. I'm here for my future. I'm a student.
Okay, what is your demands?
My demands are, first of all, that Dharmendra Pradhan resigns, that the Ken Vatwa project, whatever illegal detentions were made, they are released. The illegal detention of Sonam Wangchuk is addressed. Manipur is addressed. Yesterday there was a protest at the State Secretariat of Telangana, and protesters were detained from close to the vicinity. I don't think there should be a safe area to protest for a protester, as we live in a democracy.
How can you say yesterday attack in Jantar?
I was there, not Jantar Mantar. It's a state secretariat. I was there. This is a Congress ruled state, so I don't support a party. I support my future. I support the wellness of this country.